In a groundbreaking move, the visionary entrepreneur Elon Musk, known for his involvement in electric vehicles, space exploration, and cryptocurrencies, has announced the launch of a new cryptocurrency called WorldCoin. Collaborating with Sam Altman, the creator of Chatgpt, Musk aims to achieve universal adoption and usage of this digital currency, surpassing the success of Bitcoin. While WorldCoin is not specifically designed as an AI crypto, it presents exciting opportunities for integration with ChatGPT. This video delves into the essential things you need to know about Elon Musk's latest crypto venture. WorldCoin emerged as a collaboration between Elon Musk and Sam Altman, the renowned entrepreneur and former president of Y Combinator. Sam Altman, who developed ChatGPT, a groundbreaking language model, is spearheading the creation of this cryptocurrency. WorldCoin aims to overcome the limitations faced by Bitcoin and other digital currencies, focusing on achieving global acceptance and usage by every individual worldwide. Elon Musk's vision for worldwide is to create a truly global currency that can be adopted and used by every person on the planet. While Bitcoin has gained significant popularity, it has yet to achieve universal acceptance due to various challenges, including scalability and energy consumption concerns. WorldCoin seeks to address these issues by leveraging advanced technologies and innovative solutions, aiming to revolutionize the way we transact and interact financially. Although WorldCoin is not designed to be an AI cryptocurrency, the integration possibilities with ChatGPT are intriguing. ChatGPT, developed by Sam Altman and OpenAI, is a state-of-the-art language model that has revolutionized natural language processing. By integrating WorldCoin with ChatGPT, the potential for seamless AI-driven financial interactions becomes a reality. Users may be able to execute transactions, access account information, and perform other financial tasks through the power of ChatGPT integration. WorldCoin aims to leverage advanced technologies and innovative solutions to address the challenges faced by traditional cryptocurrencies. One such solution is the use of biometric identification to ensure fair and widespread distribution of the currency. WorldCoin intends to create a network of volunteers equipped with custom-built hardware that can capture and verify the biometric data of individuals around the world. This approach aims to prevent the concentration of wealth and power in the hands of a few, promoting a more inclusive and decentralized financial system. By striving for global adoption and usage, WorldCoin holds the potential to empower individuals who currently lack access to traditional banking services, with an estimated 2 billion people worldwide being unbanked or underbanked. WorldCoin's universal approach could enable financial inclusion on an unprecedented scale. The seamless integration with ChatGPT further enhances the accessibility and usability of the currency, potentially opening doors to financial services for those who were previously excluded. While Elon Musk has been an influential figure in the world of cryptocurrencies, his stance on environmental sustainability has been a subject of scrutiny. With WorldCoin, Musk aims to address the environmental concerns with energy-intensive mining processes, which have been a prominent issue with crypto like Bitcoin. Although specific details on the environmental impact of WorldCoin are yet to be disclosed, there is an expectation that the project will prioritize eco-friendly solutions and adopt a more sustainable approach to cryptocurrency mining and transactions. In the design of WorldCoin, privacy and security considerations are of paramount importance. The project aims to implement robust encryption protocols and privacy-enhancing technologies to protect users' financial information and transactional data. By prioritizing privacy and security, WorldCoin seeks to offer individuals a secure and confidential means of conducting digital transactions, reducing the risks associated with data breaches and unauthorized access. One of the primary challenges faced by cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin is scalability, the ability to handle a high volume of transactions quickly and efficiently. WorldCoin aims to tackle this challenge by employing innovative technologies and protocols that allow for faster transaction processing times and increased scalability. This scalability focus is crucial to ensure that as adoption grows, the network can handle a larger number of transactions without sacrificing speed or incurring high fees. Elon Musk and Sam Altman understand the importance of collaboration and partnerships in driving the success and adoption of a new currency. To achieve their ambitious goal of global acceptance, they plan to collaborate with various stakeholders, financial institutions, businesses, governments, and technology providers. Partnerships can facilitate the integration of WorldCoin into existing financial ecosystems, enabling seamless interoperability and enhancing the chances of widespread adoption by both individuals and organizations. Musk's entry into the cryptocurrency arena with the launch of WorldCoin signifies a significant milestone in the ongoing digital revolution. The collaboration between Musk and Altman paves the way for exciting opportunities, particularly in integrating WorldCoin with Chatgpt. While the specifics of this integration are yet to be unveiled, the prospect of AI-driven financial interactions holds immense potential. As the world eagerly awaits further developments, Musk continues to push the boundaries of innovation and shape the future of technology and finance. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. Subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you with another interesting video.